Hello students, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we have studied ABO blood groups and now we are going to study in this video RH blood group. We already know that there are various types of blood grouping systems are done. But two grouping like ABO blood group and RH blood group, these are the ones which are widely used all over the world. In the previous video, we have already covered about ABO blood grouping. In this video, my main focus will be on RH blood grouping. Now see RH grouping. RH antigen is actually the one which is present. It was identified first on the rhesus monkey. That is why the name is given RH by taking these two letters. It is found on the surface of RBC in the majority of the human. The question can be asked, how much percentage of the human population is RH positive? Answer will be nearly 80%. Clear, 80% is RH positive, means if they have antigen, these individuals are called RH positive, and if they don't have antigen, they are known as RH negative. So you can just make your learning this way. RH positive, how much percentage? 80%. Positive means they have antigen on their surface. Now the one who does not have, if suppose RH negative person is RH negative, if a person is exposed to RH positive blood, obviously this person, RH negative person, will make antibody against this antigen. So therefore, this compatibility is also checked before blood transfusion. Special case of RH incompatibility is observed between the mother, which is RH negative, and if she is carrying a child which is RH positive. The special case of RH incompatibility mismatching is observed between RH negative mother and RH positive fetus. Now, understand very slowly. Mother is RH negative, means she does not have any antigen. Fetus is RH positive. At her first pregnancy, there will be no mixing of the blood because of placenta. The RH antigen of the fetus are not getting exposed to the RH negative blood of the mother in the first pregnancy because these two bloods are separated by the placenta. So no mixing is done and it is safe. First pregnancy is safe. At the time of delivery, when the doctor will cut the umbilical cord, that time there is a possibility that mother blood is exposed to small amount of RH positive blood from the fetus. Mother is RH negative, she receives RH positive blood from the fetus. The mother immune system will start making antibodies. So in such case, what will happen? In such case, the mother will start preparing antibodies against RH antigen. Clear? Now mother has made antibodies. These antibodies are IgG type. These antibodies are of IgG type. And they are able to cross the placenta. In her next pregnancy, if suppose she is going for pregnant second time, then these antibodies will leak into the blood of the fetus. So these antibodies will be able to cross the placenta and there they will go and destroy the fetal RBC. As a result, we will find that the child, it might be fatal to the fetus, or it might cause severe anemia, or it might cause jaundice. So three problems can be there. Either it might be fatal to the fetus, or it might cause severe anemia, or it might cause jaundice to the baby. And this condition is known as erythroblastosis fetalis. This is known as erythroblastosis fetalis, also known as HDN. HDN means hemolytic disease of newborn. Hemolytic disease of newborn. Now we can prevent it, but how to prevent? We can prevent by giving the mother immediately after her first delivery, we should provide her anti-RH antibodies. Please focus this line carefully. You can avoid it. We can avoid this problem by providing the mother immediately RH antibodies, anti-RH antibodies to the mother immediately after the delivery of the first child. Now, what is anti-RH antibodies? What are these? Understand this here. This is little bit out of NCERT just to make you understand. Clear, beta? See, these Rh antibodies, what we are doing it, the Rh problem is prevented by giving Rh negative woman an antibody injection. It should not be later than this much time. Immediately after giving birth to Rh positive child, means immediately we should give, it should not be more than this time. And what does this injection contain? It contains anti-Rh antibodies, which will attack RBC of the fetus, which were entered into the mother blood. So it will attack RBC in the mother blood, which are present, fetus RBC. Please focus this line. They will attack what? They will attack fetus, matlab baby RBC cell, which are present in the mother blood before mother blood can identify them as foreign and her immune system make antibodies. Means we are not allowing the mother immune cell to make antibodies. Before mother immune cell can make antibodies, we are giving antibodies. Clear? So that she should not prepare any antibodies. Now, these antibodies are also known as RhoGAM. Its treatment does not harm the newborn RBC. However, the treatment is not beneficial. Reason is we don't know when the mother start producing antibodies. We are giving injection less than 72 hours, but sometimes the antibodies are made within 48 hours only. And we are late. That time it is of no use. Already mother body has made antibodies. So I hope so this much topic is clear to you. This video might be helpful to learn Rh grouping. Thanks for watching.